Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an events calendar in Webflow. It's a simple, beautiful way to share your events online. EventsCalendar-co makes it easy to set up in minutes. Let's start. Begin by opening your Webflow editor in design mode. Find the section on your site where you want the calendar to appear. Navigate to the app market. Search for Events Calendar. Select Events Calendar app and click Install on site. Once installed, the Events Calendar plugin will open with a settings window. Click to create your first calendar. Here, you can name your calendar, which is helpful if you manage multiple calendars. At this point, the calendar will appear on your page in a demo view. Let's take a look at the options it gives us. If you already manage your events on other platforms, like Google Calendar or Eventbrite, you can connect them in just a few seconds. Importing from ICS links is also supported. On the Views page, you can choose how your calendar will be displayed. In a month, week, agenda, or the stylish cards layout. On the design page, you can either pick from preset color themes or fully customize the colors to match your branding, making the calendar feel like it was built right into your site. On the settings page, you can adjust details like language or time zone, which is especially useful if your audience is spread across different regions. Now let's create your first event. In the Events tab, click the button that says Add Your First Event. Type in a title and a short description. You can even use the built-in AI assistant to refine your text, perfect for making descriptions short and precise, or longer and more descriptive. Then add the location, choose a color, and set the date and time. If the event repeats, you can schedule it daily, weekly, or at any interval you prefer. You can add an event image by uploading from your computer or importing from the web. You can also add a link with more details. With the upgraded version, you'll be able to assign events to categories, which makes it easier for visitors to filter events. You can also add an RSVP button to collect responses. Once you press Save, your first event will now appear in the calendar. If you need to edit the calendar again, launch the app from the app market and navigate to your calendar. And of course, you can create more calendars for different purposes. That's it. Your calendar is now live. Start sharing your events today and keep your audience connected in EventsCalendar.co.